Welcome to Math 107 Online. I'm going to take just a few minutes to show you around our online classroom. I'm logged on here as a student, so my Canvas site is probably going to look a lot like what it looks like for you in Canvas. However, if you're using an app on a tablet like a Chromebook, or if you're using the app on your phone, it will look a little bit different, but you'll find most of the same information. The best way to access Canvas is through either your computer or tablet. I do, though, recommend that you get the app for your phone. The Canvas app is completely free and a great way to keep up on what's going on in the class. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the home page. On the home page, you'll notice over here on the right-hand side, you've got lots of information. I think one of the most helpful tools is this to-do list. So the to-do list tells you what's coming up in order of when they show up on the calendar. Classes don't start until the 4th, so you're welcome to work ahead if you want to, and you can work on any of the things that I've got posted here. The other really helpful tool in terms of knowing what's coming up is the course calendar. I'm going to go ahead and click on the course calendar, and it's going to show us the due dates that we've got. Let me go ahead and move forward to January. The due dates that we have starting with that first week. You'll notice that every due date falls on either a Monday, a Wednesday, or a Friday, and this will remain consistent throughout the quarter, except there's a couple of Monday holidays. So you'll notice that I didn't have anything to move to Tuesday, but there might be a Tuesday due date, and that would have been what was due Monday moved to Tuesday. But so far for modules 1 and 2, everything is due Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. As you look through the calendar, you'll notice that we've got all of these MyLab assignments. These assignments are in the MyLab site, which you're required to purchase. There's no required textbook, but you are required to purchase access to MyLab. You can do that through the bookstore. It is, however, cheaper to do it directly through my site here. So you've got these MyLab homework assignments due every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then they're directly tied to videos that I have posted in the Canvas modules. Let's go ahead and go back to the classroom. And I want to take you through the information that we have over here on the left-hand side of the screen. So on the left side of the screen, we have the MyLab and Mastering tab. This is how you're going to access MyLab to get to those homework assignments. Our quizzes, and we have a quiz for each module, are also included in the MyLab and Mastering tab. Let me go ahead and click on modules. This is where the bulk of the class information lives. Take some time and go through the Getting Started modules. The first one includes information about myself, information about a calculator. We're going to use Desmos a lot, which is a free online site. A TI-84 calculator is not required, but there are some free options. If you want to get your hands on one, they can be super helpful. And MyLab and Mastering access is here as well. The syllabus is here. Do read through the syllabus. There's a quiz, and it should be super easy points if you've read through the information in these modules. So the syllabus is here as well. The second Getting Started module, this has the information that you need to sign up for MyLab and Mastering. It's linked directly to this Canvas site. So if you've used MyLab and Mastering before, but you've gone to their website, this is a little bit different. You're going to click on this tab here every time to access, and it makes it really nicely integrated with our Canvas site here. As you're done with the modules, you can click on this down arrow to collapse them, and I think that's actually really helpful because then we can put those things away as we get to module number 1. This is our first class material module, and I do have a task list included. You can take a look at that task list. Yet another way to keep yourself organized. It's got an overview of what we're going to be learning, along with a checklist. Some people print this off. Some people just refer back to it. Just another way to make sure that you're getting everything done for the module. Also in the module are the couple of initial tasks. The first one is a biography discussion board. This is a way that we can get to know each other. You're required to post twice. You're going to post your information, just a few little things about yourself. and what you're doing to survive the quarantine, and reply to a classmate. So I have already posted here. If you're ready to post your own, you're going to go ahead and grab the reply box directly below the instructions. And you can go ahead and type your information here. Let me cancel this. If you're ready to reply to a classmate, you're going to go right below your classmate's post and grab that reply box. I'm going to click in it, so I'm ready to type a reply here. So you're going to both post your information and reply to a classmate, and you've got the due dates there. Also in this module, let me go back to the modules tab, is that getting started quiz that I talked about. Really, really easy as long as you have read through the getting started information. So this should be some really easy points to start yourself off for the quarter. I'm also going to throw a few extra credit discussion board assignments. This one's just a really fun one. Either introduce us to your pet or pets, or if you don't have a pet, then I think I've got your favorite TV show or movie. So anyway, take a look at that. Just again, a nice way for us to kind of get to know each other away from math and learn some more interesting personal things about one another. Next, the content and homework videos. In each of these tabs here, or pages, I'm going to go ahead and click on A, Tables and Graphs. I have posted the homework assignments that are associated with this one. So for 1A, there are 2 assignments due on January 8th, that's a Friday, and then the following Monday. I've also included, if you want to take a look at the Google Slides, you can, but this is my video talking through the Google Slides. And then I also have what I call these on-paper skills. Students find that these are the most helpful in terms of the homework. So you've got a quick overview, and then I'm going to work through some examples really, really similar to the homework. Print this worksheet off, because the worksheet is the same as the worksheet that I go through in the video, so you can follow directly along with me. Each of the topics have, and I can go ahead and just scroll through here. I'll click the next button at the bottom. Each of the topics are organized in exactly the same way. They have the homework assignments in My Lab that are associated with these. This one also has an overview assignment, and then an overview video, and then a skills video. I cannot emphasize enough how helpful it is to watch these videos before you do the homework. I create the homework assignments first, and then I build the videos around those homework assignments. I often show you easier, quicker ways to work through assignments than My Lab will. Notice I'm working with my TI-84 here in this video. I said you don't need to buy one, but there are some really great free options, and they can be a really useful tool. Okay, so we talked about those. And then if I continue in this module, so module 1, we have each of the topics. There are also homework question videos. I included the tab here in the module, but if you go to the class tabs, I don't have them there. I will include them there as well. I will include them there, but they're here for now. So if you click on the homework question videos, I have taught this class before with the same textbook and the same homework questions. So all of these links that you see right here are videos that I've made for previous students and the homework questions that they've asked. As you all ask me homework questions, I will do the same and include homework question videos so everybody in the class can benefit from those. So as you're working through the homework and you're struggling with a question, do take a look to see if maybe somebody else has had the same question, and I've posted a homework video for them. Back in the modules, you'll also notice that there's a project coming up. You may have noticed that. It's not there yet. I don't quite have it finished. And then the module 1 quiz is due in My Lab. All of the information that you need is here in the modules. You can click on the grades tab. I'm not going to because I'm just signed in as a test student, so that actually doesn't work for me, but it will for you. The grades tab has all of your grades for both Canvas and My Lab. So your overall grade lives in this grades tab. The Panopto videos really won't be active. I will be embedding all of the videos into the modules. So you've got some good resources here as well. Moving all the way over to the left-hand side, you've got the inbox. The inbox is a great way for me to communicate with you and for you to communicate back to me. You can also communicate with other students in the class this way. You have a little notification if there's a message from me here. You can also set up your account. Again, I'm a test student, so not a lot I can do, but you can change the notifications so that the notifications show up maybe on your phone, maybe to a different email. Maybe you don't want notifications. So all of that customizing ability happens right here. Let's see. I don't think there's anything else. If you have questions, please do let me know. Again, a great way to contact me is through the inbox. Take some time with the getting started materials. Make sure you get registered for my lab and mastering. So we're ready to go with the quarter starting January 4th.